everyone. So welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shelby and I'm just vlogging my life. So today Brett just went to work, he just left, and I just packed a few boxes because we do move April 1st. So I packed a few boxes, and then today is probably going to be a very productive day. I've already cleaned, I've already packed quite a bit of stuff. You guys can notice that's completely empty in there. All of these are empty, all of these are empty. That's empty. That's just stuff I'm keeping until the day we move. And then the next is going to be like the stuff. We really don't have to pack much more now until the last week of March, because it's all stuff that like we need or use in like clothes and like stuff like that. So all of our knickknacks, like our whole closet is packed. Yeah, our whole closet is packed. So yeah, I'm just going to be mainly vlogging my day today and getting ready. I'm hanging out with my friend Amber today. I have a doctor's appointment tonight. And then, yeah, so I'm probably going to get ready for my day now after I've done everything. I already had breakfast this morning and I just want to feel pretty. So I'm going to put some makeup on my face, feel nice, and then probably edit a bit before lunch. So it's gonna be a good day. Hey guys, so it's later tonight. Brett just got home from work. I'm about to make some cheesecake. And that's probably it for tonight, but I'll see you guys in the morning because I'm tired. Well, good morning. Today I'm going to my mom's for the night. I work this afternoon, but I'm dog sitting, so I'm heading there in about a half hour. I just finished packing my stuff up and such, but yesterday at the doctor's appointment, it was awesome. I got to hear the baby's heartbeat and I kind of cried a little bit. Like it's exciting. So I heard that, and then we have our ultrasound, our detailed 20-week ultrasound on the 13th. So it's just coming along. So I packed up my bags. So I have this one and I have this one. So I'm all packed. And yeah, I'm just gonna go wash my face, pack my bathroom stuff, and clean my room quickly, and then my ride should be here and I should be ready to go. So really excited about that. It's gonna be a good day. So I just got to my mom's and I'm gonna go for a shower soon. I'm really happy to have a day where I can just do my own thing in this house. I love this house. So I'm gonna go for a shower. I want to show you guys the bathroom because this is why I want to go for a shower, okay? Okay, one sec. This is the bathroom. And look at this goddamn shower, okay? It's like a seat. I am so excited. I'm gonna have a nice shower. This is the mirror, looking good. And yeah, I'm super excited. It's gonna be a good day. So yeah, I'm gonna go shower, probably eat and edit for a bit, and then get ready for work. So it's gonna be a good day. So just got off my shift. I just came home to see the little pup. And she's doing good. She had some naps today. Hi. And yeah, I'm going to get changed in some comfy clothes, wash my makeup off, and I don't know what else. Pretty hungry, not gonna lie. Just gonna have myself a little night before the man comes home with some food from Boston Pizza, so pretty darn excited. So Brett just left for work. I just packed up all of our stuff, and I'm just waiting for my parents to get back from Toronto. So I'm just hanging, having myself a morning, and having a coffee. But yeah, I'm probably going to talk to you guys when I get home, because I have to get ready for work. I have to do some stuff, so I'll probably talk to you guys then. But yeah. Hey guys, so it's a little bit later. I just got home, and now I have to get ready for work because I work in an hour, so gotta do that. Morning. I'm so tired today. I need to get a lot of stuff done, but it's 1 o'clock and I haven't done anything all day just because I'm so tired. But this morning I went with my friend Ashley and got some coffee because I hadn't had any today. So having coffee, and then I think I just threw YouTube videos on. I'm looking at my to-do lists, and I think I'm gonna start getting shit done. So yeah, I'm gonna do some stuff, and then that's probably gonna be the end of this vlog, because I'm gonna upload it tonight and then start another one, because I want to get some more vlogs up before I move, and then do moving vlogs when I do move. So super excited, but yeah, just gonna clean a little bit, and I'll talk to you guys in a bit.